This is an AS Mechanics question on variable acceleration. At time t seconds, where t is greater than or equal to 0, a particle p moves in the xy plane in such a way that its velocity v meters per second is given by v is equal to t to the power negative a half I minus 4tj. When t is equal to 1, p is at the point A, and when t is equal to 4, p is at the point B. Find the exact distance A to B. So what we need to do here, to find a distance, we need to integrate the velocity with respect to t between the time limits that we have of 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 are limits, so we want to integrate t to the negative a half I minus 4tj with respect to t. So if we do that, add 1 to the power, divide by the new power, so we will get 2t to the half I minus 2t squared j, and our limits are 1 and 4, so we'll put those in and we will get 2 times by 4 to the power half I minus 2 times by 4 squared j minus 2 times by 1 to the power half I minus 2 times by 1 squared j. So let's see what we get for those 2 points. So here we're going to get 2 times by square root of 4, which is 2, so we get 4i, and then we're going to get minus 2 times by 16, so minus 32j, minus, so from here we're just going to get 2i, and also here we're going to get a minus 2j. So we know that our particle has moved from this point to this point, so let's work out the displacement. That's the difference between them, and we've got the difference there. So 4i minus 2i is 2i, and then we've got minus 32 minus 2, which is like minus 32 plus 2, so that's going to be minus 30j. So that's the displacement from one point to another. We want to find out what that distance is. So we need to do Pythagoras on this, find the size of it, the modulus of it. So it's going to be the square root of 2 squared plus negative 30 squared. And that gives me 2 root 226. Now the question says the exact distance, so I don't round this to any decimal places or use the SD button. I'll leave it exactly as it is. So 2 root 226 or equivalent meters is the distance that it's travelled between time equals 1 and time equals 4.